Yo, listen. As if this eBayer has sent me the eBay parcel in a Wray and Nephew box. It's as if they knew. That's amazing. It's as if they knew that I was of Jamaican descent. Right. Which is in here now. Let's get rid of all that. Okay, so. I think it is. Yes, the Sony printer. Yes, so. Right, let's get rid of all of that. And we are keeping the Wray and Nephew box. That is amazing, as if they posted it. Look, the real Jamaica in the Wray and Nephew box 6. Yeah, I might need to look on Google. Right, I'm keeping that. Right, so let's open this up. So this is just the cable. Now I am hoping that this is a Sony printer, I think. Got my cup of tea. Something about a cup of tea tastes nice. So I have been at Loughborough all day, photographing tennis. Some real good tennis going on. So it is time. Right, so this is just a straightforward printer cable. Interesting. Good. Next bit, I'm guessing. Let's use my knife because I'm not fussed about any more bubble wrap. Got tons of bubble wrap. More cables. So this must be the power cable. Okay, so that's the power cable itself. What volt is it? Right, here we go. So here's the printer. Right, so again, and I'm going to test this straight away, as in tonight I'm testing this. Yeah, so it is a Sony printer. Now, I know it takes the same cartridge as the Canon selfies, so hopefully, if it's got the card slot, I should be able to put in and print. Right, here we go. Sony printer. Yes. This is like the 5th one of these I've bought. Now, CF card. Oh, I've just realised something. It doesn't come. Oh, that's all right. Does that fit? Or does it? We shall see. We shall see. Right. So, I'm semi-happy with that. Semi-happy. Where have I put the cable? Here. So let me just check everything. Yep, that works. That fits in. So, just need to put a CF card in. It takes SD cards as well. It also takes the Sony memory stick, of which I have one here. So which way round is it? It's obviously that way. Okay, so, right. That is good. So we'll give that a test. But I am chuffed more about the Wray and Nephew box. So, let's go and give that a test. Now, instead of doing 2 videos, I'm going to do one. Whoa! One big video. Right, so let's get this open. Let's use my trusty knife again. It's cut along the sides here. Yep, there's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, oh, do you know what I didn't check on that printer? If it had a cartridge in, and if the cartridge ejects. Right, so let me just check before I open something else. Right, cartridge, yes. Cartridge comes out and it's the same cartridge. Good. So let me just test it. Ooh. 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 Is there something different? I'm not sure about that. Didn't want to go all the way in, and I'm not forcing it after what happened with the last one, that's for sure. So, I'm going to give that a try. Right. Box number 2. Aha. So I know exactly what this is. This is Minolta Vectis bag. Yep. Everything else there's rubbish. And what's good about it is it has some APS filming. So that means, let's open it up. This means I can actually start to use the APS cameras. Right, so let's open it up. Right, so let's count the rolls of film, because that's what's important to me. Right, so we got 1, 2, 3. Let's have a look. Just check. Yep. What make is it? True print. Okay. So there's 3 rolls of film. Okay. 4, 5. Another true print. Agfa Ultra. Futura 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7. 8 rolls of film. 9. Wow. 10 rolls of film. Amazing. What? 11. Oh. 12. My gosh. What an absolute sparkling. And the book. Oh, it's the S-100. But the bag is in pristine condition. Oh my days. Right, let's have a look. And look, does come with a lens cap, not like the other one. Is the battery in there? Oh, so it has a different location for the battery. So it's not the same as the S1. See if it turns on. No. Where's the battery go? That's interesting. So I need to read the manual on that. I don't know where the battery goes. But again, finish my tea. I'm not bothered. 12 rolls of film. That's amazing. So that means I've got 14 rolls of film in total. So tomorrow I can go shooting. Right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go and test the printer. If I make another video tonight, it's because the printer works. If I don't, it's because the printer doesn't, and I'm gutted. But getting that Wray and Nephew box and 12 rolls of film, when they said 8, so that's 4 more rolls than I thought. So listen, like and subscribe, guys. See you in a bit. Bye.